Hello, this is Rebellion Rutaisiro who is back. I'm going to show you some features of Congrea and how we can use them. It means that once you have scheduled a session, a class session here, you can go to upcoming sessions. You can go to upcoming sessions, uh, here, and you will see a link. You will see a tab here uh, for joining the virtual classroom, and you can click here. Once you have clicked here, you will be directed to uh, this uh, this series of features of Congrea, and you have in the left pane here some features here for the whiteboard. Here we have the document sharing. Here we have the screen share. Here for the sharing to share the videos, and here we have the poll. If you want to use the poll, you will click here, and here for the quizzes, and here this is the text editor, and here if you want to share a presentation, for example, here if you want to exit from the session. For the app tools here, you have, for example, here you can find a hand, here for the shapes, here for the text, and the font size. This is the kind of no, this is the stroke size. This is the color. For example, for if you suppose, for example, if I want to enter here and I want to change the color for this one, and for example, you see, and you can change the color like that. This is for the to activate the all, and here for clearing what you have written here, for example, that one. So here at your right side, you have a number of participants here. Right now, because I'm practicing, I'm alone here, and you see my name. I can see others here, for example, because this window will come once you have activated here the users list. And at the bottom of this page, we have some features also. This is for the network connectivity. This is in order to validate the system requirements. Here we have the microphone, the video, the camera. If you want to activate the microphones, you click here until it gets green. Here for the video, you see once you activate, it will become green. And here we have an icon for bookmarking. This is to make the screen full, and you can exit from this one. And this is the list to show up the list of users, and this is for the common chat. For example, once you activate this one, and you can write a message like this one, that in, and once, for example, you want to raise a question, to ask a question, you raise your hand here, and if you want to add some notes, you see that you can write something like this one, and it is a note. You can clear what you have written, and so on and so on. This is how we can explain. I forgot to show you the plus and minus signs we have here, for the plus for zoom in, and the minus, the negative sign. This is for zooming out, and here we have to fit to screen. Yes, thank you very much. This is the summary of what we have here. and how we can use them. I thank you very much.